I'm Greg Farrell. I'm the Senior Category Manager for Whitetail here at First Lite, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use your transfer pack to transport a tree stand into or out of the woods. So for converting your transfer pack from kind of pack mode to tree stand carry mode, you always want to remember you start with orange and you end with orange. So the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to start with these two orange load lifters, and you're just going to simply disconnect them from the load lifters on the pack. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to unhook this zipper safety strap. You're going to take this big U-shaped zipper, you're going to go all the way around the pack, and you're going to disconnect that from the pack itself. Next, you lift up, pull down, and that will disconnect the actual frame of the pack from the bag itself. Once you have the back panel detached from the bag, this is where you can now attach the stand to the back panel itself. For easy reference, on the back of the bag, there is actually an instruction sheet. Now, on the back panel itself, you have this really handy strap storage stuff sack, and this allows you to just kind of shove straps in without having to wrap them up, twist them up, organize them. So if you just pull all these straps out, what you're going to notice is these straps are color-coded. So your horizontal straps are a little bit lighter. They also have the orange bar tacks on them. And then your vertical straps are a little bit darker in color and don't have any of the orange bar tacks on them. So if I unhook all my straps, and I'm just going to lay them out, organize them horizontal and vertical, and I'm going to simply take my stand, I'm going to lay it on top of the frame itself. You can orient the stand in either direction you like, whatever your preference is. I prefer to have the seat oriented down so it's not up above my neck when I'm walking through the woods. So once you have the stand oriented on the back panel itself, you're going to want to start with the vertical straps. So I'm going to go ahead, grab my first vertical strap. You can run it through any opening or hole on the tree stand. You just want to make sure that you have enough room between the two connecting straps to tighten it down. So I have my vertical strap run through two holes in the stand. I simply tighten that one down. I'm going to repeat the process on the other side with my other vertical strap. Get that one nice and tight. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the horizontal straps. And now my tree stand is secured to my back panel. All right, now we're going to go ahead and we're going to connect our pack back to the back panel. The first thing you're going to want to do here is loosen up all four compression straps. So you have two on each side. So I like to unhook them, just get them as loose as possible. That'll make your whole reconnection process easier. Okay, then I'm simply going to take my pack and I'm going to lay it down on top of the tree stand itself. Now, with the pack laying on top, all I have to do, because I have the tree stand actually connected to the frame, is I just simply take these compression straps and I can loop them through any point on my tree stand, reconnect them to the loops on the pack, reconnect them. I'm not tightening them down yet. I like to get all four looped through first, and then once I have all four compression straps reconnected, I'll then go through, tighten down both sides evenly, and my pack is connected to the stand. The last step of this whole process, if you remember when we started, we went orange to orange. When we finish, we want to go orange to orange again. So you have two options here. One, you can take your orange and reconnect directly to the load lifters, and that's going to help support the weight of the stand when you're carrying it. Or two, in this case, I have a much smaller platform stand. If I wanted to, I can actually go right to the orange loops back on the pack, and that is going to allow me to really cinch this pack and frame nice and tight. Now, if you have a bigger platform stand, you may not be able to get these all the way to the orange loops on the pack. You just want to make sure in that case they'd be connected to the orange loops on your load lifters. Now that my stand is sandwiched between my frame, my pack is connected to the stand, I can go ahead and throw my pack on, and I'm ready to go. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to give our customer service team a call and they'd be happy to help you out, and we'll see you out there.